If your headset is not being recognized by your PS5, don't worry because we are going to show you several troubleshooting methods that can help get your headset working again. Whether your headset suddenly stopped being detected or it's a brand new headset that won't connect, these fixes should help. Number one is you want to make sure to disconnect and reconnect the USB headset. So first off, you need to unplug your USB headset from the PS5. Wait about 10 to 15 seconds. Then plug it back in securely. If your console has multiple USB ports, try connecting the headset to a different USB port. Once connected, check whether the PS5 detects the headset, and of course, you need to verify the audio output device. Sometimes the headset is connected, but the audio output is set incorrectly. So go to Settings, select Sound, choose Audio Output, and then under Output Device, make sure your USB headset is selected. If another device is selected, switch to your headset and test the audio again. And of course, do not forget to check the microphone input device. If the headset audio works but the microphone doesn't, you'll need to verify the input settings. So open the settings, go to Sound, select Microphone, under Input Device, choose your USB headset. Speak into the microphone and watch the input level indicator to confirm it's receiving sound. And of course, do not forget to restart your PS5. Temporary software glitches can sometimes prevent accessories from being recognized. So press the PS button, select Power, choose Restart PS5. After the console restarts, reconnect the headset and see if it's detected. And then update your PS5 system software. Running outdated system software can cause compatibility issues. So I need you to go to Settings, select System, choose System Software, open System Software Update and Settings, and select the Update System Software. Install any available updates and restart the console afterward. Last is finally test the headset on another device to determine whether the problem is with the headset or the PS5. Connect the headset to a PC, laptop, or another compatible device. If the headset isn't recognized on any device, the headset itself may be faulty. If it works elsewhere, continue with the remaining fixes. Basically, that's it for today's video on the best ways to fix a USB headset that's not being recognized on PS5. In most cases, checking your audio settings, trying a different USB port, updating the console software, or restarting the system will resolve the issue. If you found this helpful, subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.